Have you ever wanted to generate passive income online but didn't know where to start? This is a common predicament, one that many people face. Not knowing where or how to start can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to help. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur seeking to expand your online reach, or a novice still figuring out how the digital market works, this video seeks to offer guidance and clear up any confusion you might have. Here's the good news. The internet is ripe with opportunities for making money passively. Let's elaborate on what passive income online really means. Essentially, it is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprises in which a person is not actively involved. Simply put, it's making money while you sleep. Now, who wouldn't want that? In the next few minutes, we'll delve deep into online entrepreneurship and digital marketing. We'll explore various strategies, tactics, and tips that successful online entrepreneurs use to generate significant earnings. We'll discuss the importance of understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and leveraging social media platforms to increase visibility. The core focus of our discussion, however, will be Builderall. You might be scratching your head asking, what is Builderall? Well, Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. It's one of the most comprehensive tools available for entrepreneurs looking to grow their online business. It can help you with everything from creating a website to managing your social media to optimizing your SEO. Sounds amazing, right? The platform offers a plethora of features that cater to various aspects of creating and managing an online business. Whether it's email marketing, sales funnels, website design, or SEO, Builderall has got you covered. This versatile platform offers tools that are easy to use and understand, making it ideal for beginners and experts alike. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to break down the process of using Builderall, an all-in-one digital marketing platform that's designed to make your online business flourish. Imagine having the ability to create professional websites, sales funnels, and online stores without needing any coding or design experience. This is exactly what Builderall brings to the table. A revolution in the digital marketing landscape. Now, you don't have to be a coding genius or a design wizard to create beautifully crafted websites that resonate with your brand and appeal to your target audience. With Builderall, the power to create is in your hands. It's a platform that's been carefully designed to empower individuals and businesses to bridge the gap between their visions and the digital realm. So, whether you're launching a new venture or looking to revamp your existing online presence, Builderall equips you with the right tools and features, ensuring that every digital touchpoint is optimized to perfection. Let's talk about these features. Firstly, Builderall is your one-stop shop for website and store building. From intuitive templates to customizable layouts, everything you need to put your brand at the forefront of the digital space is right here. But a robust online presence isn't just about websites and stores. It's about reaching out to your audience and engaging them effectively. And Builderall makes this possible too. With Builderall's powerful suite of email marketing tools, you can send out personalized emails, create targeted campaigns, and track their efficacy. Whether you're advertising a new product launch or sending out a holiday greeting, Builderall's email marketing tools ensure that your message hits home. And that's not all. Builderall also offers social media management features, putting you in the driving seat of your brand's online reputation. From scheduling posts to tracking engagements, Builderall helps you optimize your social media strategy to foster meaningful connections with your audience. But wait, there's more. SEO tools. Builderall recognizes the importance of ranking high on search results. This platform offers SEO tools that enable you to optimize your content, ensuring that you're not only found, but also chosen by your target audience. These features are designed to help you reach your target audience and engage with them effectively. A comprehensive toolset like Builderall is what every online business needs to thrive in a competitive digital space. But wait, there's more. Builderall is not just any ordinary digital marketing platform. It's a suite of tools designed to help your business grow and engage with your target audience more effectively. What sets it apart from the rest is its unique feature of offering webinar and streaming services. This means you can connect with your audience in real time. a functionality which is rapidly gaining traction in the modern digital world. Imagine being able to engage directly with potential customers, answering their questions and addressing their concerns instantly. Webinars can be utilized for product demonstrations, tutorials, or even live sales events. This platform helps you create an interactive, immersive experience that can significantly boost customer satisfaction and build a stronger relationship with your audience. Moreover, live streaming services have taken the online world by storm. They offer a level of immediacy and intimacy that pre-recorded content can't provide. With Builderall, you can live stream product launches, Q&A sessions, interviews with industry experts, and much more. This adds an exciting, dynamic element to your digital marketing strategy that can help to keep your audience engaged and on their toes. Additionally, using these services can also help to establish you or your company as a thought leader in your industry. By sharing valuable insights and information through webinars and live streams, you can build a reputation as an expert in your field. This can help to attract more customers, foster loyalty, and enhance your brand image. Yet another point to note is the opportunity for audience feedback. Real-time interaction allows for immediate feedback from your audience. This feedback can be invaluable in guiding your future strategies, helping you to better understand your customers' needs and preferences. In conclusion, webinars and live streaming services are more than just trendy buzzwords. They're powerful tools that can help businesses connect with their audience on a deeper level. With Builderall, you have these tools at your fingertips, ready to help you take your business to new heights. So there you have it. Builderall also offers webinar and streaming services. This means you can connect with your audience in real time, hosting webinars, live sales events, and more. And if you're looking to monetize your online presence, Builderall has an affiliate program that allows you to earn passive income. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn while you sleep. So, whether you're a beginner looking to launch your first website or an experienced marketer wanting to streamline your online operations, Builderall has got you covered. Now let's summarize the main points we've covered in this video. First, Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that allows you to build and grow your online business. Second, it offers a wide range of features, including website and store building, email marketing, social media management, SEO tools, and more. Third, it provides webinar and streaming services, allowing you to connect with your audience in real time. Finally, it has an affiliate program that allows you to earn passive income. The benefits of using Builderall are clear. It's a comprehensive platform that provides you with the tools you need to succeed online. So why wait? Thousands of satisfied users have already transformed their online business with Builderall. You could be next. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of Builderall. Until next time.